Good morning. Good morning, children. How are you? Did you recognize me? I am your teacher, English teacher, Babita Joshi. I hope you are all safe and fine. Now, I would like to ask you some questions. Children, have you ever visited a village or a city? Okay. You, you all have visited a village and city. I know that. Then, did you find any difference between a village and a city? Yes, children. Village is a place where you can find peace, pleasant atmosphere with completely natural things you can find. When coming to a city, you can find that people with a busy schedule, and also you can find fridge, cooler and AC. Okay, children. And when coming to eatable things, you can find fast food, cool drinks, ice cold, lemonade. Okay, children. I think you people have understood. Now, I will ask you, do you know what is a mouse and what is a rat? Children, mouse, it has a long tail with large ears, and rat, it has a short tail. And rat you can find in your house. Wherever you see in your house, you can find it. And mouse you can find in the drains. So children, guess what I am going to say you. I am going to say you a town mouse and a country mouse. Today my topic, my lesson is town mouse and a country mouse. So now there were two cousins and their name is town mouse and a country mouse. They both were cousins. They often wrote a letter to each other. They were very close. So one day what happened? The town mouse fell sick. One day what happened? The town mouse fell sick. So what he did? He went to a doctor. Then doctor advised him to visit a country for a week. So what the town mouse did? He started going to a country, but before that he wrote a letter to his cousin. And who is his cousin? Country mouse. Who is cousin? Country mouse. To take a permission to be in his house. To take a permission to be in his house for few days, for a week. So did you got my point, children? The country mouse, for staying in his house, he received the town mouse letter and he was very much happy. He was very much excited. So the town mouse packed his bag and he started traveling to the countryside by a train. The day he traveled, it was very hot, sunny, bright. So the town mouse wished to have an AC. What he had? He wished to have an AC in the train. But he could not find any AC in the train. But he did not find AC in the train because it was a country which was not at all developed. After arriving the countryside, the country mouse welcomed to his cousin. And who is that cousin, children? The town mouse. Who is his cousin? The town mouse. And as you know that, I told you that the day was bright, sunny, so he was very much thirsty. What happened? He was very much thirsty. So he wished for ice cold water. What do you wish? Ice cold water. but he did not get ice cold water there. What he offered? Country mouse offered him a coconut water. Why did the country mouse offer him a coconut water when he asked for a ice cold water? Because it is a country, and in the country we could find only coconut. Okay children, what he can find? Coconut water. So he was not satisfied with the coconut water. Then he took him to his house. As he went there, he was very hungry. So then when we feel hungry, what happens? His cousin offered him a root, bit of sugar cane. The town mouse said that he was not habituated to eat all these raw food. What he said? He said he was not at all habituated to eat all this raw food. He was habituated to eat cheese. He is habituated to eat cheese and cooked food. Okay children. Then the town mouse said he was sleepy. He was feeling very sleep as he was tired in the train. And the country mouse made him to sleep on the ground, which he did not feel good, and he was uncomfortable to sleep on the hard ground. He was very angry. What happened? He was very angry. Next morning, as the town mouse wakes up, he was hungry. He does not find anything to eat. And he asked his cousin to have food. So they both visited a nearby farm in search of food. All these things made the town mouse much angry, and he departed to the town side. Departed means what? Came back to the town side without hurting his cousin's feelings. After some days, the country mouse wrote a letter to the town mouse describing that what? What did he describe? That he want to visit his cousin. Did you like this? If you like this, I am going to put again a few questions and you must write in the notebook. So now children, I would like to ask you few questions regarding part 1 of the lesson, that is town mouse and the country mouse. Children, please note down the questions that I dictate you. My first question is, what is the synonym of the country? My first question is, what is the synonym of the country? My second question is, what is the antonym of hot? My second question is, what is the antonym of hot? My third question is, what is the present form? Found. What is my third question? My third question is, what is the present form of found? My fourth question is, who is the cousin of the town mouse? Who is the cousin of the town mouse? My fifth question is, how did the town mouse feel in the countryside? How did the town mouse feel in the countryside? My sixth question is, at the end of the part 1, how did the town mouse feel in the countryside? Happy or sad? Happy or sad? Children, don't be tensed. Your question paper is displayed upon the screen. So children, this was your part 1 for the lesson, town mouse and the country mouse. Till then, take care of yourself. Be safe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.